Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing? A few weeks ago, I trimmed all of our Merit Supreme hydrangeas and a few other hydrangeas that I had. And I dried them two different ways. Half I put just in buckets of water, just within a couple of inches, and let them soak it up, and I left it be for a few weeks. And then the other half I did in 1 part glycerin, 2 parts water. I think if I were to do it again, I probably would just do them all in water, not in glycerin and water. I'm not sure if I didn't stir the glycerin up enough or it settled in one spot, but you can tell a difference in the majority of them, which ones I did in water and which ones I did in glycerin. A lot of them came out looking like this. Now, if you listen, they're not crunchy, and even the leaves aren't crunchy, which is nice, but they look kind of yellowy. This one, part soft, part crunchy. This one's a little bit more soft. You can tell the leaves, they're not crunchy. So these I just did in water, and you can tell of course they didn't stay pink, but they don't look quite as yellow. So either I'll have to do the experiment one more time, or I think I'll just from here on out do them, if I were going to dry them again, just dry them in water. I'll link the video down below so you can see how I did all that. I'm going to make a wreath today, and I have a few wreaths here. I have a grapevine and a wire wreath, both 18 inches. And then I must have thought I was going to do some kind of a project because I already have wire attached to this one, and this one's a 14-inch. I'd like to do the 18-inch. I think I might stick to the 14-inch. I'm not sure. I think this is 22 gauge floral wire, pruners, because I am going to cut the stems a lot shorter. Many years ago, my mom used to do floral arranging, and she would spray hairspray on it. So I don't know if that's old school, but I went ahead and bought this, and I might spray it when I'm completely done. You don't actually need this, but you definitely need some paddle wire or hot glue if you're going to put it on a grapevine, and some pruners. And I think for the most part, I might try and use the ones that I dried in water, not the ones I dried in glycerin. Over here off to the side, I have all the hydrangeas that I dried. And some of them look a little worse for wear, so I'll make sure I pick through them and get the best ones possible, the ones with the most color. What do you guys think? It's my first time. I think I did okay. Don't look at the back though. Actually, I think I used the majority of blooms that I dried in the water. I think I used 1 or 2 that I used in the glycerin. So save yourself some money. You don't need to do the part glycerin, part water. Just do them in water. I think I am going to spray it as soon as I'm done filming, and as soon as it dries, I probably will hang it inside the house, only because our climate here is so extreme. I think it would just fall apart within a matter of days in our heat. So I think it's probably going to be safer inside where we have a bit of air conditioning going on. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.